How to fix family invite not working on Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to help you guide fix family invite not working problem on Spotify. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Spotify. For that, open any web browser and type in spotify.com. Press enter on the keyboard and this will help you land on the official web page of Spotify where you have to log into your account. And the family invite not working on Spotify usually occurs for two reasons. The first one is you need to ensure that you have enough space for the family members to invite. You need to be aware that only 5 members can be added to your family plan. Firstly, you need to check whether or not your family plan has got place to invite members. If it is full and you already have 5 members, then you won't be able to send or invite any of the family on Spotify. So you have to free up the space and then only you'll be able to invite your family and fix family invite not working on Spotify. The second step you need to do is make sure that you have verified your account. To check whether your account is verified or not, click on profile icon at top right corner. And here you need to select the option of account. Now once the account page opens, you need to click edit profile button. You need to check whether your email ID has been verified or not. If it is not verified, your verifications or not verified will be shown here and you need to go and verify your account. Once you verify your account, you can easily fix family invite not working on Spotify. So that's all for today. Hope this video will help you. If you are new to our channel, then hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.